guys, it's me, AJ Rainbow Pop, back at again with another Animal Jam video. And in today's Animal Jam video, you know what it is because it's in the title that I'm going to be showing you how to play Animal Jam on your mobile device. Not Animal Jam Play Wild, Animal Jam on your mobile device. So, I'm going to show you right now. So, by the way, I'm on PC if you haven't noticed, but I can still gonna show you. So, yeah. First of all, you gotta search up on your app store or your app store. So search up Puffin web browser and not on Google but on your app store. Okay? Except for this blue background, it'll be a green background or whatever background with the same logo on it. So if it has a different background, don't worry about it. I've been using this so it doesn't hack you, doesn't do anything to you. So yeah. So once you get it, you install it, search Animal Jam, zoom it in by going to the side like that, example, and then scroll down and find theater, press theater, and there you go. And then have fun playing Animal Jam on your mobile device. So that's it for today's video. Goodbye and have an amazing day. Bye guys.